Now that we have Mix Effect on the iPad, we're able to really control these views that we have and take advantage of the 8 GoPros that we have. So Joy actually controls the Mix Effect on the iPad. There you can see she's actually changing the view, and we have over 30 different views that we can combine, and we're hoping this really helps in the teaching environment, where we have all the advantages of multiple GoPro views. This is the view that Joy has of all the different views all at once in what we call the multi-view output from the switcher. So she can go ahead and really choose the view that she wants, but not only that, she can combine views into one, and we're hoping this really will enhance the teaching so that when we talk about all the little nuances, a lot of times you don't pick up these nuances with one view. You have to really show various views or views from different angles to really understand what all the nuances are. And in the lab, when we run the postgraduate students through the training, we'll be able to show them, and they'll be able to actually understand much better what all of these little minor details are. So Joy has this multi-view in front of her as well, and then we can program the iPad to show any combination of multiple views at once. So we're interested in seeing if this actually helps in the teaching of these nuances. And perhaps these are some of the things that were missing when we first talked about ergonomics, because those kind of lessons or messages are very difficult to communicate with just looking at something, say, through the microscope view. Here you have 4 different views that are not totally synced yet, but Joy seems to like the side-by-side view from the microscope view and then the GoPro view on the microscope. So we're hoping this actually helps with the teaching, or at least communicating to the postgrads just how important ergonomics are and small little motions. So I thought I'd keep you appraised of the progress with the operatory. It's moving along, and I think the iPad being able to do these with Mix Effect really simplifies it, because doing this by hand post-production is really time consuming, and I wouldn't have the time to do it. But with Mix Effect, all Joy has to do is press a button, and it chooses the view that we have programmed into the macros, into the Mix Effect. So all I really need to do is figure out what views we want, and I'll program them into Mix Effect, and with just a push of the button, we'll be able to choose them. So I'd be interested in any TDOers what views they thought would be most valuable or most instructive in doing this. So I might be posting some of these in the next 2 weeks before the postgrad course, just so you get a sense of what these views can do. These are just some of the different angles that are available. I haven't spent a lot of time to really program the various views, but this is a view of the switcher. So those are all of the inputs, and this is what the final wiring looked like against the back wall. It's relatively simple and clean looking.